Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad Go 2 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Software Update and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Auto Update, and here make sure that this option is marked, that the switcher is turned on. However, I also highly recommend to turn on this option, so auto update overnight, thanks to which your device will not only automatically download the update, but it will also automatically apply it to the system and install the newest version. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.